It's 7. I'm using Jack's camera because I left mine in the car like I already told you. But we're here and we're getting ready to go. Any last words before our 10?
If you get lost and you scream, no one will hear you.
Oh, great.
So. And Josh?
Good morning, Josh.
Hey, good morning.
Josh is new to the camera.
So glad to be here.
But he's ripped, roaring, ready to go. All right. We'll see you on the trail. Well, I might not because I won't have this camera with me, and I'll be lagging behind.
I'll leave the camera at a spot, and you pick it up and start recording.
Swamp. Trail. And some more running. We have already passed through somewhere between 3 and the 4 mile marker. Enjoying this little trail run. Up ahead is Josh and Catherine and Johan. I just sprinted. Watch me sprint back. Cool. Very cool. Watch me kick it really in. Right behind you. This is Run by Filming. Morning.
Hey.
How you guys feeling?
Great.
Good. I'm wet.
My feet are dry though.
Oh, that's good.
That's good.
Dryness is next to godliness, I think, or is it cleanliness?
Dryness.
Got extra socks.
Oh,
Yeah,
you can put those on your hands. In case your feet break out, just walk on your hands. All right, I'm gonna turn this thing off. It's good. It is pouring rain outside. I had to put this thing in a bag. And here I go, taking the camera out of the bag. I think the two of them are back there somewhere. Yeah. Pouring rain. Look at the rain. Me. Look. Here we go. Here's something interesting. The 5 mile marker. Oh, okay. Here, that's where the alligators live. Deer, antelope, a couple beavers. Okay, still pouring rain. More rain as this develops.